Ever felt like the financial markets are a high-speed train you just can't seem to catch? What if you could have a front row seat, 24/7, with an expert navigator guiding you every step of the way? Welcome to the future of trading. Imagine a world where your trading strategy works for you around the clock, even while you're sleeping. No more staring at charts for hours. No more second-guessing your decisions. That's not science fiction. That's the power of automated trading. We're introducing a revolutionary trading robot built on advanced artificial intelligence. This isn't just another program, it's your personal market analyst. Its core strength lies in its ability to operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you never miss a potential opportunity, no matter what time zone you're in. One of the biggest challenges for any trader is managing emotions. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive decisions. Our robot trades based on pure data and sophisticated algorithms, executing trades with precision, completely free from emotional bias. It analyzes vast amounts of market data in milliseconds, identifying patterns and trends that are simply impossible for the human eye to catch. This means every decision is calculated and strategic. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: protecting your capital. We know that trading involves risk, which is why our robot is designed with powerful risk management tools. You can easily set your own stop loss and take profit levels for every trade. This means you have full control. You decide your risk tolerance, and the robot ensures your investment is protected by automatically closing positions once your predefined limits are met. This disciplined approach is key to long-term success and peace of mind. Worried that you need to be a tech genius to use it? Absolutely not. We've designed the interface to be incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Whether you're a complete beginner just starting your trading journey or a seasoned expert looking to optimize your strategy, our platform is built for you. Getting started is as simple as a few clicks. The dashboard is clean, the settings are straightforward, and you can monitor your performance with ease. The world of trading is evolving. Are you ready to evolve with it? Stop trading based on emotion and start leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. It's time to embrace a smarter, more consistent way to approach the markets. Join the community of traders who are already experiencing the future. Click the link below to learn more and begin your journey toward automated trading success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.